How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Recovering end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger, particularly if you have lost access or need to restore them, can be challenging due to the nature of end-to-end encryption. So this type of encryption ensures that only you and the person you are communicating with can read the message, and even Facebook Meta cannot access the content of this message. So here's a guide on how here's a guide on what you can do attempt to recover or restoration. So first of all, you have to understand the limitation of end-to-end encryption. End-to-end encryption ensures that the messages are only readable by you and your recipients. So this means that there are no backup on the Facebook server, and you can go for the local storage where the messages are stored locally on your device. First of all, you have to launch your Messenger app. Just go and tap on the three line option, which is on the top left corner, and go and navigate to your setting. Once you are here, just go and click on your privacy and safety. Once you are on your privacy and safety, you can see the end-to-end encrypted chat. Just go for that. And here you can see the message story. Here you can see the message storage. So the chat history has been backed up here. So you can go for the learn more, and you can download your chat history from here. So you can download your data from your secured storage. So you can go and open up your messenger.com on your computer, and you have to click on the privacy and safety. You have to select the end-to-end encrypted chat, and you can follow the on-screen instruction to download your backup chat on your device. With the help of this simple step, you can easily recover the end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.